Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Yo guys, what is up? DC is right back again. So yup, it has really been a very long week guys, and excuse me, I have really got a bad voice because I wasn't feeling well from the past 3 days, so excuse me for that. And yup guys, coming to today's video over here, I have is a BMW Z4 GT3 guys. It's a really completely different car. It's from Innovador, which looks almost like a Kinsmart, but it's quite smaller than that. It's a 138/52 scale car, so it's slightly small, but rather than that, all the functions are same. It's a pullback action, door opening car. It's really amazing guys. It's got the more decals on it comparing to the Kinsmart. Like it's really got more decals. So yup guys, you know the drill. First for the unboxing, and then let's go for the information. So it's gonna be a slight information, not too much. And yup, mentioning the last week's video, it was my introduction video. So yup, all you guys were waiting for that, and it's finally over. So I told that you guys can comment anything down below, so I really appreciate one comment, which he asked me a lot of questions. His name is Kush. He asked me extremely a lot of questions about the Initial D. So yup, I really love watching anime guys. It's really a cool one. You guys have to check that out. And thank you Kush for asking me all those questions. I seriously appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. And any other comments, just keep putting it down below. So yup, let's start off with today's BMW. First for the unboxing, let's go for it. Guys, take a look at this car. Like, wow, the black color on this car is so cool. Like, it's totally glossy. It's really amazing on this car. Like, you can't feel it as a Le Mans car, but still, it is a Le Mans car. Yup, and this, at the front, it's got the cool headlamps, and it's got the BMW logo on it. You can see the hood scoops. It's really deep, quite deep. Yup. And yup guys, coming up to the side, it has no much decals. You can see the door opens, yup, and you've got the bucket seats on the interior, not much detail too. And the wheels are quite nice, it's pretty much rare. And you've got the rubbers guys, which is not at all studded, like most of the grips are not there. Well, that's cool on this car. Well, coming up to the rear guys, you've got the large spoiler, which is the major center of attraction on this car. It's really cool. You've got nothing much at the rear. Like, it's missing the Z4 decal over there, and you just got a BMW logo. And also it misses the exhaust. Like, I really can't find the exhaust except for the diffusers. And yup, there's nothing much more to describe about this car. It's got that BMW decal Motorsport on the windshield. Well, nothing more than that. So yep guys, as we have taken a close look on this car, why don't we go for the information? So yep guys, it's time to know something about this BMW Z4 GT3 right here. So let's know some information about this car by going for the engine. The engine is actually a 4.4 liter V8, which is an aluminum block, and of course it's a rear wheel drive. The Le Mans cars, well, time about the transmission guys. The transmission is actually a 6-speed sequential gearbox, which has a quick shift function, obviously, to shift much more faster. Well, time about the acceleration guys. The 0 to 60, it does it in 3.4 seconds. It's really cool on this car. Well, going to the best part, the top speed. All the car enthusiasts gather up here. The top speed of this car is 186 miles per hour, which is 299 kilometers per hour, almost touching 300 right there, but still couldn't touch it. Well, talking about the horsepower, guys, this car packs up to 508 brake horsepower, which is seriously amazing on this car. Like, it's so cool. Well, coming up to the last, that's the price. Major people gather up here. The price of this car is 298,000 euros plus value added tax, VAT. So, yup, if you want this race car in the garage, you gotta pay more. So, yup. Going to the last thing, guys. I think I've ended up my information right here, but there's one more left. That's the special facts. So let's see what it got over here. Well, this is quite a big one, guys. So, yup, here it tells that in its first year of racing, the car proved to be competitive in the FIA GT3 European Championship. Well, yup, what more do you expect about this Z4? It's got that performance to perform well. So, yup, this car is seriously amazing, guys. So, what else can I say about this car? Yup, it's so cool. Well, as I've ended up everything over here, if you still have more questions, you can comment it down below. I'll see you all next week with another car, guys, just like this one. So, yup, stay tuned for that. And if you didn't watch my introduction video, it'll be popping up on the screen right now. So, watch that too. I'll see you all next week, guys. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend.